So let's jump straight into this and show you how our revolutionary software can have you set up and running in under 5 minutes flat. I'm now going to pass you over to my partner Momia, who is quickly going to demonstrate the insane power of eCom pages to you. Right now in front of your eyes, showing you how you'll soon be able to use this software to build a fully custom Shopify store in mere minutes.
Hey, what's going on? Momia here, and in the next 2 minutes you're going to see me create a fully fledged e-commerce store, fully customized with all my hot products added, optimized in the correct way and set up to literally be up and running in less than 5 minutes flat. Now the best part about all this, there's no coding, HTML or any of that nonsense involved. You literally just drag and drop and you're pretty much ready to profit right away. Now what I'm going to do to make this even more interesting is put a countdown timer in here so you can see the amazing power and speed of eCom pages. Alright, so let's start the clock. So the first thing I'm going to do real quick is add a column, and then I'm going to drag and drop my header in here, and I want my main menu in here as well, and then I'm going to put my footer in here, and now I'm going to drag and drop my product collections and my featured collections so that my store is filled up with hot products that are ready to make me sales. Alright, now pause the clock. As you can see, in about 20 seconds I was able to build a fully functional home page with the main stuff that I needed. Now let's go ahead and create our product page. So let's start the clock, and we're just going to do the same thing here so that the site is congruent to the home page. I'm going to drag and drop the header, the main menu, I'm going to add in 2 columns, and then I'm going to add in my image. And the cool thing here is that I can fully customize the color, the text size to whatever I want. So now I'm going to drag and drop my product name in here, then my product description on the right, then I'm going to put the add to cart button on the right, which allows me to customize this to my liking. So I'll just put in buy it now, and I want this to be extra large, the text color to be white, the background color to be green. Click save and I'm done. Stop the clock. As you can see, in just 1 minute I was able to have my product page fully set up, and if I want to I can go and put some social sharing buttons here to make my store go viral. I can then drag and drop my related products in here so that it increases my sales even more. So let's say you're in the dog training niche and you're selling dog leashes. It will ask your customer if they want to buy other dog related things, you know, maybe dog toys, dog accessories and so forth. Alright, so I'm just going to finish the page by putting my footer here at the end, then I'm going to click save and my product page is now fully done. Now let's move on to the catalog page and we're going to start the clock. So now I'm going to drag and drop the header, the main menu, then the products, and then I'm going to close it out with the footer and then hit save. Stop the clock. As you can see, it literally took me about 10 seconds to do that. So now we're going to finish up with the about me page. This is where you'll be able to post more about your brand and business. So I'm just going to add a column, but this time for my widget I'm going to add a YouTube video in here. Now all I have to do is put my link in here. I can then customize the settings of my video, and then I'm going to hit save. Lastly, to finish the store off, we're going to customize the look and feel of the site. eCom pages allows you to customize everything to the layout, color, videos, text, call to action buttons and much more. So let's start the clock again. I'm going to go to style, make my background color dark blue, and then the font text white, and then for the menu I'm going to have a black background color with white text. Save my changes and boom, we're done. Now stop the clock. As you can see, in less than 2 minutes I was able to build a fully fledged e-commerce store, and I could have used up a lot more features of the software to make the site all pretty and all, but just for demonstration purposes I wanted to prove to you that it's all possible to have this done in just a matter of minutes, and you don't have to be spending hours and hours of your valuable time trying to build these stores manually. You literally just have to leverage our push button software, which automates the entire process from start to finish to have you up and running in under 5 minutes flat. So now the final thing I'm going to do is import my store into Shopify to see how it all looks. So I'm going to go ahead and download my theme, and then I'm going to upload this into Shopify. Once that's done, I can then finish up the store. So I'm just going to upload my header logo into Shopify, and then for the homepage featured collection I'm going to select all the products that I want shown, and we're pretty much done. Now there's plenty of other things I can customize on here to make my store really special, but just for the sake of demonstration purposes and saving time, I'm going to now publish the store so we can see how it all looks. So let's click on save changes and see a preview of our new store. Now as you can see, my site is now fully functioning, optimized, monetized with all my hot products. All my pages have been set up in the correct way, and it's now ready to start pumping in sales on complete autopilot. There's no need for you to spend thousands of dollars on developers to build custom sites, and there's no need for you to wait weeks just to get one store set up. You literally just leverage our push button software and you can be building yourself a long-term business that you can scale 100 times quicker than anything else out there.